In Ayurveda and yoga, the use of onion and garlic cooked in your food on a daily basis is not recommended. Energetically, they're rajasic, maybe even going toward tamasic, especially when used in quantity. And what that means is they cause stimulation in the mind, overstimulation, and irritation in the lining of the intestines. And this disturbs your digestion. And you might say, well, but everybody does it and it's been going on for years. But I'd like to share with you that it wasn't going on early in my life. I can remember exactly when that came about in the late 1970s. And it spread all over the world, and it was the result of a marketing campaign. Now, onion and garlic are useful in medicinal ways, small amounts for limited periods of time. Most people are using large amounts of garlic and large amounts of onion as well, and too frequently. And some people will say they don't even know how to cook without it. A lot of the commercial environments are like this. But what happens is when you take away the garlic and onions, the taste buds have to recover, right? Because they're highly insulted. Some people it only takes 3 or 4 days, but it's good to give it about a week to 10 days. And then something amazing happens. You start to have the ability to taste things that you couldn't taste before. So you can explore cooking with different herbs and spices and discover a whole new world of tastes. Many of the spices like ginger and turmeric a little bit, they help us with digestion, and they also taste delicious. There are so many choices out there. So if you'd like to explore the use of spices in your food and find guidance on cooking using Ayurvedic principles, we have our Simple Ayurvedic Cooking program just for you. Use the link in the description below.